Hi, I'm Sunny Boy Hinunangan from AE1MA. I'm gonna tell you the two parts of MS-DOS, the external and internal commands. First, open your CMD. The external command are those commands which are not built in MS-DOS. External command are those which are not included in the interpreter. There is a need of an internal file in the computer to read external command MS-DOS command. External command may vary from system to system. This means any two computers with the same version of MS-DOS may have same internal commands, but may have different external commands. These are examples. The attrib. The attrib allows a user to change the attributes of a file or files. With attrib, you can change any of the add or remove any of the attributes below. Also, other examples are print, disk copy, xcopy, tree, etc. Well, the internal command, these are those commands which are contained in command.com file of MS-DOS. These are those functions that are built into the command interpreter. There is no need of any external file in the computer to read external MS-DOS command. This command can be used as long as DOS is running on the system. These are some examples. Like CLS or clear screen. If you type time, as you can see, it display or change the date. Also, some examples like del, md, cd, date, vol, and many more. And that's all. Thank you.